Hey everyone, this is Caleb from Essenty, and I'm excited to show you about this new list feature that we have. Now, the question that we want to answer is, what is a list? A list is going to be your contacts, emails, and phone numbers that you've received from a sign-up form or other permission-based method, and it's required in order to track a recipient's subscription status, such as if they're subscribed, unsubscribed, it's pending, or inactive. And what this is also called is a subscription list. So sometimes we'll just say a list, or might say subscription list. But now, why do we need lists in your contact manager or in your Essenty account? Well, lists are needed for sending a campaign to multiple recipients about a topic of interest. Okay, so let's take a look at a campaign. What is a campaign? Well, in Essenty, there are two types of campaigns. You have a broadcast campaign and a series campaign. The series campaign will be releasing soon. Right now we have broadcast campaigns, so let's take a look at that. Those are a single marketing message, and it's sent to members or your subscribers of a broadcast subscription list. So broadcast campaign goes to a broadcast subscription list. And each message that you send or you schedule out to those members in that broadcast list, that's considered a separate campaign. It might help you to think of a broadcast campaign as like a TV show, and a broadcast list is like a specific TV channel. So the TV show or broadcast campaign is broadcast to the people who are watching the TV channel, or those who are subscribed to that list. Now, a series campaign that's coming soon, that's going to be a little different. It's predefined series of marketing messages that are sent to members of a series subscription list, and they're automatically sent out in a specific order at predetermined times. Now, in Essenty, each of these series campaigns is associated with specific series subscription lists. For example, let's say you have 10 emails that form a Essential Oils 101 email class. Those would be sent to members or people that subscribed to that list. Some people also call this a drip campaign. Series campaign, drip campaign, similar or same. Broadcast list examples. Here are some examples. You could have a list called Essential Oil News that people could sign up for and get info from. A great resource for everyone, like a monthly newsletter with news, tips, and education. Another example could be a business builder news list. This is for important news, education, for building your young living business. So you'd have specific people, your contacts, that would be good to have on that list. And then weekly tips, another example, get your exclusive weekly tips right in your inbox. People might want to be a part of that list, or events and classes to stay up to date on important upcoming events and classes. Specifically, you're defining that topic of interest, like DIY ideas and healthy recipes. So you can see these are some examples of broadcast lists. Now let's go ahead and create a list in Essenty. Okay, we're in the back office, and from here, all you got to do is go ahead and click Contacts, and that's where you're going to find the My Lists tab. You'll see that right at the top next to My Contacts. You can click My List to find all of the lists that you've created. And once you're on that page, you have the option to click New List, or you can always click that big New button on the left side and then choose List. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And when you click that, a pop-up is going to come up, and you go ahead and create a list name. Now I'm going to create my Essential Oil News subscription list. This is the one that I want to put everybody on, because it'll be a general list that will get my monthly newsletter. Maybe I'll send a few other things on, out on that list, but then I'll put a description in here for what it is, and if everything looks good, you like it, you can edit it later, but that looks good, monthly newsletter, etc. So once you do that, you click Save, and there. Then we created our Essential Oil News. Now once you've created that, you can add people to that list. And we'll show you how to do that in a different video. You can also create the list as you add, like you can select people and then create a new list. Just wanted to show you here how you can create a list without having to do anything else.